Right, now let's add some extra functionality. Let's add another video. So we are working on our NIM game on, let's add some extra functionality. Let's check my to-dos. This is a to-dos list. Okay, have a class to manage database interactions. Yes, we have it, so I can delete it. Very good, right? Now, say move history. That means something. Add heap dictionary. Add method to save the winner to the database. We do have that, right? We have that, right? That's already done. Read settings from a file such as match count. We have that. That's already done. So it's very nice to do delete to-dos. Add multiple game functionality. How would we how could we do that? Simple, right? So let's do that. Basically, we have a game. We have, of course, decide how far are we going to do same players or new players, right? So again, this game is finished, right? Once this game is finished, we can here game is finished. The game is finished and saved here. We can delete it, right? Delete the object, right? Delete the object, right? Yeah, that's be one way of doing it, right? So delete game, right? And it will close connection. You can, it will close the database connection as well, right? Because, well, it should close it. Let's see, right? Let's see, do you want to play another game, right? Of course, we will do this. We can do simple this idea. Do you want to play another game? Yeah. Ask if the user wants to play again. Right? Yeah. Well, true. Yeah. Yeah. Right. So, play again. Input, do you want to play again? Yes, no. Game reset. Well, only thing, there's no such thing as game reset, right? Well, we don't have a game, right? So, right, and so while true, right, no, or quit, right? Again, very simple solution, right? So let's do a new game object, right? So we could do this, right? Of course, right? Right, and just do this, right? This or reset. We could, of course, do a reset method, right? We don't have it, we maybe do again, always extra things, create reset option, right? So we'll basically do this. We will create a new name, basically, right? And we can play it, right? Again, right? And so keep playing. Of course, no, right? Gameplay, right? On game delete, right? Delete game, right? Now, enter yes or no. Enter yes or no, right? All right. Very simple input, right? Yes, no. Of course, you can add more. Of course, you can add more wider choices. Maybe capitalize. If play again to lower, I would do to lower. Right. So using lower lets us access both upper and lower case, right? So yeah, we can use lower, right? So yes, no, and now yes or no. Okay, or maybe even better, starts with so play again, starts with y, right? Yes, no. Let's be a little more lenient. Lower starts with yeah, I think that's even better, right? Let's be as lenient as possible, right? Again, yes, right? Again, on starts with no, right? So this is more lenient. You can be very liberal. Be liberal what you accept. So the philosophy. We should be liberal. We should be liberal in what we accept. That's a philosophy, but strict and conservative and strict, yeah, but conservative in what we send out to the world, right? Okay, so that's a philosophy in computer design in general, in life, of course, as well, but in protocol design and computing. Okay, so this is a good start. Let's see if we can. Let's see if this works, right? Of course, for now, to do right, also to do option to change players, right? That's only maybe after the break we'll do that, right? So and also, right, we don't need this, right? Um, uh, well, true, yeah. So okay, so it works fine. Of course, we can also clean it up afterwards. So we have to. It's like a do while loop. We have play. Do you want to play again? Right on. Then we, keep playing. Okay, let's run it. Let's run it again. Let's run it. Oh yeah, it won't work because of configuration, of course. Again, I forgot to. Yeah, sorry about that. I need to change the configuration. Of course, it needs to be run from day 25, of course. So yeah. So now it will work. Yeah. So while this let's say, I don't know, without us again, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, without us, 3, without us again. Okay, so you see, it closed the connection. Notice, right? Deleting the game also closed the connection. Why? Because there is no other reference database. So it was so also by destroying the game, right? We also destroyed the game connection, the database connection, which is good, right? So let's play again. Yeah. So the 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, and all this will lose. Okay. Do you want to play again? No. Let's not play again. No. No. All right. So that closes on. So it works. We can probably check also what's happening in dbeaver, right? See our saving, right? See if multiple games were saved with timestamps, right? The results. It should happen, right? Let's see if, again, we might need to. We have a few more minutes, so hopefully dbeaver will load up. Of course, you could use another tool. dbeaver is finally starting up. Meanwhile, while it's starting up, I will commit this code, right? Hopefully, changes to multiple, multiple, multiple game option, right? Yeah, close. And where's my dbeaver? So source is slow today. All right. So let me refresh this, right? Player A, player B. Oh, actually, it was, you see, just now, right? Very quick, half an hour, like just recently, so 2 games. So notice the game result 1-0. Again, we'll have to, of course, interpret what does it 1 means and 0 means, right? So whose move it was, right? So 1-0, of course, maybe the player A won or player B won. Maybe it's vice versa now, right? So game type, of course, was not really needed, right? So again, we have a reference to this player, who it was, right? We would probably best be to have we don't have a full relations with it, right? Or diagram, right? Doesn't have it a relation to these, but it is implicit in this case. So that would be something to also fix to be completely strictly to have strict relations. That would be also a good idea to add it to databases. But of course, it works already. All right. So thank you. So your task actually see if you can do right uh, to do adoption to do an option to change players. That would be a good idea. Right? Maybe some of you can do this during the break.